Wanted to show you guys my buddy Joel with VCS Detailing just fully corrected and coated my truck. So wanted him to talk about it a little bit, let you know the process he went through, because he definitely spent some time on this, right?
Yeah. What we did is fully wet sanded that with 2000 grit. I went back, cut it with a rotary, cut it with a DA, and then finished it out with IGL's finish. Corrected the whole truck.
As you guys can see, like, I know it's even hard to see maybe on camera, but this thing is like glass. He really did a fantastic job. And this is the type of stuff, I mean, you do on the often, right? Paint correction, basic wash, everything, right?
Yeah, we do everything.
And I want to try pulling up some pictures that you guys will see of like beforehand of the bed and everything else. Literally a phenomenal job. The difference is crazy. But if any of you guys do need any detailing done in New Jersey area or anything, hit my boy up right here. He'll get you treated right. VCS Detail. Want to turn around real quick? What's up, everybody? Justin Fio back with another video. We took a video with Whistlin Diesel's truck about a few months ago. Went out, met up with Retro Customs, had some fun with it, and like I said in that video, he's gonna be rebuilding it. So today we're gonna be talking to Kevin out here at Retro Customs, and he's gonna be giving a little rundown on his plans and what he exactly plans on doing with the truck. But he's gonna be doing a lot of work to it, step by step, and hopefully we could bring you along the way from where it is now to making it almost a show truck again. So I hope you guys are excited. Without wasting any more time, let's get going. He's not gonna be spilling too much beans on it, but Kevin actually is gonna be rebuilding the truck and kind of giving you guys a little input on, you know, what exactly is wrong with it, what he's thinking he's gonna need, and, you know, somewhat of the plans.
What's going on, guys? So we're starting it, the rebuild starting. First thing we did was get the new windshield on. That was much needed. It was sitting out in the rain for a couple months now, and over time it was leaking. Water was dripping down and smelling like mold inside. So we had to get the windshield in. We've got a couple mud events coming up, and we don't really want to tear into it yet, just because we're going to go have some fun in it still. But once we get back from those mud events, we're going to start tearing it down.
I'm sure that'll be a blast out there also.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we got the lift on order. We're going big. All I can say is we're going big. Lift's gonna be here around December. At that time, we're gonna start, then we'll bring the new frame in, we'll start mocking it up. Get lift mocked up before everything gets powder coated, and go from there. But as far as between now and December, we're gonna focus on, you know, getting the body parts back on, get everything shaped up to where it looks presentable, have our painters go over the whole body, make sure you know, nothing's too gouged, see what we got underneath all this mess of writing and mud. Go through the inside, completely tear apart the inside, and clean it all out. Like I said, get all the water out of there. I know there's some water on the floor, and basically just clean everything out. Clean the leather, clean the seats, rip the system out, redo all the system, make sure all the wiring's all clean, nothing's getting wet anymore, and put it all back together.
Yes, he's definitely a project. From looking at it, this truck's been through hell and back. So I mean, right off the bat though, just by looking at it, you know, just a few things. Gonna need fenders, bumpers, you know, you're gonna try to fix some of the paint and probably, you know, do some paint correction and try to get everything put together and try to see like what works and what doesn't, right?
Yeah, so we're really not, I mean, we want to make it nice, but we're gonna see how it goes as far as you know, the paint goes. You know, we're gonna tear it all down, see what needs to be done as far as the painting. If it doesn't have to be repainted and there's just minimal scratches, we're not too worried about it. If it's something big, then we're gonna have it fixed, just to make it look presentable, because we're gonna make the, you know, the frame down is gonna be basically brand new, so we want to make the top half pretty much new as well.
So pretty much you got fenders, bumper, lift,
yeah,
and kind of just going to be almost replacing everything that has been, you know, had an issue in the past, and keeping motor and trans, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna keep the motor in trans. We'll go through it, make sure that there's, you know, if there's nothing wrong with it, make sure all the seals are good. As far as the fenders go, we got new fenders. Bumpers, obviously, we're gonna change. We're gonna do a 2020 swap on it. Just upgrade it while we're at it because the grill is already broken. Headlights need to be replaced. As you can see, it's you know, leaking. Full. Other side of things full of water from it cracked. So yeah, basically we're going to replace the parts that need to be replaced and, you know, get the body all nice and then lift the cab up. You know, that way when we set it back down the new frame, there's no body work or anything that needs to be done.
We even got our own little garden growing in the back, so that's always fun. And I'm assuming, obviously, you're gonna put the exhaust to some type of normal side exit or axle dumper stack or something.
Yeah, it'll end up being, it'll be dumped. We're gonna end up dumping it.
Nice. And he's got some plans with the bed, but we'll keep that a little teaser for you guys. So overall, giving you guys another little rundown. The last video, a lot of you guys wanted to see the rebuild, and we're gonna be bringing you step by step on tearing this truck down and bringing it back to life. But overall, your plan is to make this thing, you know, as clean as when you first built it, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be basically as clean as when we first built it. Yeah.
I think that's gonna be sweet. Definitely got a lot of work, a lot of time to put in over here, but step by step, I could open this up.
Yeah. Definitely gonna be a different look, but around the same.
So, I mean, the interior, though, the things that are good, the interior is still super nice. You said you needed to get the sunroof fixed as well, right?
No, sunroof's good. We just got to, you know, the headliner was getting a little wet.
Oh, you dropped the headliner down.
Yeah, we pulled the headliner out when we replaced the windshield.
Any plans with power-wise or any plans in that nature, or you plan on just lifting it up and making it almost like a show truck?
I'm not sure yet, honestly. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna see how it looks when we dig into it.
Because this thing already does have turbo and injectors and,
yeah,
right?
It's already pretty quick. It already has big turbo injectors, dual fuelers, stuff like that. So just depends on really how much money we want to dump into it, you know?
And as long as everything's healthy, or when it is healthy, this thing will probably rip for sure.
Yeah, it'll move how it is now. It still moves from the day we built it. It's just the same, you know?
Yeah, if you guys saw the last video, we definitely had some fun in this thing.
It definitely didn't lose any power.
Just to show a little bit under here, the front end and some nice mud gunked up under here.
Far from stock spacers.
But overall, probably whole new hub assemblies and breaking into
new axles, shafts.
Step by step, see what's got to be putting together here. Got all grass and big chunks of
you name it.
Anything under here. Poor AnyLevel. And I know you said you plan on going big with the truck. Wheels and tire wise, something kind of a similar idea, similar concept?
Yeah, we're gonna keep the wheels. Obviously refinish them.
So these are 28 by 16, you said, right?
28-16 American Force. Tire wise, we'll probably go with the bogger. Hopefully bogger will come out with a bigger tire than a 44. But as of right now, we're probably gonna go with the 44 bogger.
And this was originally spray painted, right?
Yeah, they were originally polished, and Cody decided to spray paint them.
But you're gonna end up trying to bring these forces back to life and seeing.
Yeah. Yep.
Still got my name on the door from the last video. If you guys could see that, that's funny. Some good old dirt. Giving her a quick jump. We got her running, boys. Yes, sir. Good job, Black Beauty. Got some nice sand up there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Sound like some Rice Krispie treats popping around. She got dirty coming out here. Damn. So this should be a pretty fun rebuild. Also, if you guys do have any suggestions, leave that down below on what exactly you might want to see, or, you know, any feedback on what you're thinking about this build. But like I said, we're gonna try to bring you guys step by step on everything done to bringing this thing back to life and making it as clean as possible.